Morning, Dr. Gulani. So it's about 6:30 a.m. and back to see everybody and plan, check, recheck, whole another batch of patients landing all day long. You guys posted on. Oh, hello.
Good morning.
Very good
How are
morning.
you?
Got some rest in the hotel.
We did.
Yeah, it was easy. Easy. So you have a private flight, right?
Yes.
Okay, sad. Here we go to the next patient, very advanced keratoconus, told nothing can be done. You know, I don't believe in that. Herman, how are you?
How you doing?
Good, good, wonderful. Excited?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So for doctors watching, you see very advanced keratoconus. They've already done the testing on him. You can see all the impact of his keratoconus, very high irregular astigmatism. We're also showing stability. We've already seen him before. He's come back for a recheck. He's traveled back before I take him for surgery. Want to make sure stability, right?
Yes, sir. So far, I have seen 5 doctors, 2 in New Jersey, 3 down here in Florida. This is my 6th doctor. All of them.
Ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready. I'm ready, man. I'm ready.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Hello, Malu?
Yeah,
Hi, can you hear me? So, how's beautiful Hawaii?
I'm in JFK right now.
I know. Your flight's delayed from New York, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you do one thing? Don't worry. Continue with your flights. Where are you now from Hawaii? You have reached New York now, right? And New York was a cold storm going on. Don't worry. Take your flight carefully. I'll wait here for you. All right? Yeah. Don't worry. I'll be here for you, and then we are planning your pre-op, and then you're ready for surgery for next day. Next case, patient with radial keratotomy came with about 8 surgeries done, all failed, very poor vision, and we already fixed that with laser plastic. He's traveled back for his second eye. This is a firefighter. All right. How are you?
Doing well, doctor.
Excellent, excellent. All excited?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And yesterday I did your moist therapy for the dryness.
Yes, sir.
Any difference, even though it's just day 1 with your chronic dryness?
It's a huge difference. It's much better. Even last night, I noticed a huge difference.
Really?
Much better.
Okay, wonderful. And doctor's patient with very high irregular radial keratotomy incisions, a dynamite firefighter, right?
Yes, sir.
From the Show Me State.
Yes, sir.
I would say. So here he is, and doctor's very irregular, as you can always tell. We've already done laser plastic on his first eye, where he had come with over 8 surgeries, right?
Yes.
How many years ago?
Well, was it 4 years?
Yes. And now he's back for his second eye. So we're going to do that. And I prepared his eye also with correcting the dry eyes with the moist therapy. That's why I asked him how he's feeling. No one gets away here. Everybody type A. We want perfection. So that's very important, very, very important. All these things and testings that you must do yourself. And then, and only then, can you take the patient to surgery, all the preparation, because they're already less predictable, right, from the conditions they have. Right. Officer?
Thank you, doctor, for everything.
Pleasure, absolute pleasure. Come on, see you guys shortly. Wonderful. All right, go have some fun boba tea, and then I'll see you back in surgery.
Thank
All right?
you, sir.
Take care. My pleasure. And you're flying back on Saturday?
Yes, sir.
I'll see you. Very advanced keratoconus from North Carolina, right?
Yes.
And for doctors, you can see the level of keratoconus in this patient, very thin, very high regular astigmatism. We'll proceed with conoplastic-based principles, all right?
Yes.
Absolute pleasure. Come on, how are you?
Hi, Dr. Gulani.
Great to see you. Great to see you. How are you doing?
Amazing.
Yes?
Amazing. Thank God. There's no words for it. I can see everything.
Fantastic. And you're ready to fly out?
Yes.
For doctors watching, it's a case of extreme hyperopia with astigmatism, nystagmus, and labeled amblyopia. And you can see what we did, and we planned an intraocular 4D technology with the lens-based surgery in her, and brought her straight to vision binocularly in both her eyes. How was your experience in surgery, Emma?
It was so calm and peaceful. The spa was beautiful. I've never seen anything like that. It was just easy. I walked in, walked out, no pain. And I actually want to go back to the spa because it was so much, it was so peaceful.
Oh my God.
You could not catch me walking into a hospital. But
and you work in medicine, so she
Yes.
has a medical background. That is also important. So doctors basically don't say no to patients, work around their situations, help them out, and then you can see how they emerge ready to take on the world, right?
it can change lives completely. completely.
Come on, be great with your patients and fly well, but be careful. Rest in the flight, okay? Say no to the biscottis, right?
Don't worry, I don't eat them anyway.
Okay, pleasure. Safe travels back, Sarah.
Thank you
Have
so
a
much.
pleasure. Take care.
Appreciate it. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Hi, Dr. Gulani. So Tuesday night, after hours and hours of seeing patients who came from all over the world with various complexities and complications of LASIK, smile complications, keratoconus, radial keratotomy problems, cataract surgery problems, premium lens, unhappy patients, patients of cross-linking problems, very high irregular astigmatism, transplants. And as you know me, I don't believe that nothing can be done. And my fight for them all day, listening to them, empathizing, measuring, remeasuring, looking for any vision potential that they have. Having already studied all this on the weekend, looking at their surgeon's notes and everything. So it's a pleasure. I can't obviously have a team do a whole day's video. It's hours and hours of working, talking, explaining, reviewing, diagnosing. But they will put up a brief video for you to show you a brief glimpse. And I head out now to complete my suit donation drive for veterans that I'm working on. And be back early morning tomorrow, 6 a.m. I'll be back with you guys. After that, good night. Dr. Gulani.